Today we will study about the enzymes. So today we will study about the mechanism of enzyme actions. Mechanism of enzyme action. The catalytic efficiency of enzyme is explained by two perspectives. First is the thermodynamic changes and second is the process at the active site. All chemical reactions have energy barrier between reactant and product. The difference in transitional state and substrate is called as the activational barrier. Now we'll see the covalent catalysis. The enzymes form covalent linkages with substrate forming a transient enzyme substrate complex with very low activation energy. Enzyme is released unaltered after the completion of the reaction. So in this diagram you can see this is the first step. The initiation reactions bind to the active site in a specific orientations forming a enzyme substrate complex. Okay. So in second, the transition state in which facilitation interaction between the enzyme and substrate lower the activation energy required. In third is the terminations, means product have lower affinity for active site and are released. The enzymes is enhanced after the reactant. तो यहाँ पे हमें क्या मिल रहा है फाइनली इनिशिएशन एंड ट्रांजिशन के बाद हमें टर्मिनेशन में क्या मिल रहा है प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म हो रहा है ओके नेक्स्ट इज द process at the active sites. Covalent catalysis, acid-base catalysis, catalysis by proximity and catalysis by state. The covalent catalysis. The enzymes form covalent linkage with substrate forming transient enzyme substrate complex. तो enzyme covalent linkage से substrate से bind होती है और क्या form करती है transient enzyme substrate complex with a very low activation energy. Enzyme is released unaltered after the completion of the reaction. Acid-base catalysis. Mostly the undertaken by oxidoreductase enzymes act as a acid-base catalysis. Mostly at the active site, histidine is present which act as both proton donor and proton acceptor. Catalysis by proximity. In this catalysis, molecule must come in bond forming distance. तो जो molecule है वो substrate है वो enzyme के required distance तक क्या होना चाहिए आना चाहिए. When enzyme bind, a region of high substrate concentration is produced at active site. This will orient substrate molecules specially in a position ideal for them. Catalysis by bond stain. So mostly undertaken by lysate जो enzyme है ये bond strain use करती है for catalysis. The enzyme substrate binding causes reorientation of the structure of site due to in a strained condition. Thus, the transitional state is required and here bond is unstable and eventually broken. In this way, bond between substrate is broken and converted into product. In this diagram, this is the substrate entering active site of enzymes, enzyme substrate complex, enzyme changes shape slightly as substrate binds, enzyme product complex, and here the product we get the product leaving the active site of the enzymes. Lock and key model. The proposed by the Emil Fischer in 1894, lock and key hypothesis assumed the active site of enzymes are rigid in its shape. There is no change in active site before and after the chemical reaction. Lock and key and means particular जो एंजाइम है उसको पर्टिकुलर सबस्टेट ही क्या हो सकता है बाइंड हो सकता है ओके अगर वो उस शेप का नहीं होगा सबस्टेट तो वो जो एंजाइम है उसको वो बाइंड ही नहीं होगा induced fit model. More recent studies have revealed that the process is much more likely to involve in induced fit model proposed by Daniel Koshel-Land in 1958. According to this, exposure of enzyme to substrate causes changes in enzyme which cause the active site to change its shape to allow enzyme substrate to bind. तो इसमें क्या फर्क है तो जो induced fit मॉडल में है तो वो सबस्ट्रेट क्या होता है इसमें क्या हो रहा है कि जो सबस्ट्रेट है वो एंजाइम में चेंजेस आ रहा है ला रहा है तो जो इंडस फिट में क्या हो गया अगर उसका शेप वैसे नहीं है तो वो सबस्ट्रेट के और अकॉर्डिंग एंजाइम का शेप क्या होगा चेंज होगा और वो उसको बाइंड होगी और हमें फाइनली प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा सो दिस इज द इंडस फिट मॉडल so